Hey, this is Lindsay with WTI, and I wanted to take a second to talk about the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. It comes in tangerine flavor, and it is really tasty, and it has made me feel a lot better. Let me show you a little bit more about this. So what I like about these are that they come in these really awesome little pouches, and it's easy for me to keep them in my purse or keep them in the car so that when I'm feeling a little bit run down, or if I'm on the run and I haven't been able to drink enough water, I can add one of these to my water and I feel so much better. This one in particular is the immune support, so it has extra vitamin C. It tastes delicious, it's sweet, so it's not hard to drink for me, and it just keeps me hydrated throughout the day. You can drink one a day, you can have more, whatever you need to be able to keep yourself hydrated. I love these particularly because I am really bad at drinking water, and I have so many kids that sometimes it's hard for me to keep up with drinking water, and this has really helped me. If you're looking for something that will help you to be better about drinking water and feel more hydrated, this might be a good option for you. And that's my point of view.